Are you just getting started on your hand lettering journey? Or maybe you've been lettering for a while and you just want to take your lettering to the next level. Well, welcome to the land of lettering. My name is Eva Taylor, and as a self-taught hand letterer, I understand your struggles of trying to learn and wanting to achieve the beautiful results that you see on Pinterest and Instagram. And on this channel, I want to help you avoid the headaches and avoid the roadblocks that discourage you on your hand lettering journey. So hit that subscribe button down below because I will be posting every week. You will not want to miss out on the tips and tricks to take your hand lettering to the next level. And just to share a quick story, I started my hand lettering journey back in 2011 after my dad had passed away from cancer. I was looking for a way to grieve through art because art is therapy. And so I started drawing again, and I started lettering some of my favorite scriptures and quotes that were just bringing healing to my soul. And from there, I just started posting my work on Facebook to my family and friends, just as a way to inspire and encourage others maybe going through a similar grieving process or trial in their life. And I was blown away by the amount of encouragement that I received from my family and friends. And when I look back at some of my first pieces, I'm like, ooh, people actually like that? But what's cool about when you are on a hand lettering journey, whether you're just getting started or you have some experience, is when you look back over time, you see your skills develop and your style develops. And it's a really fun journey to find yourself on. Since then, I've had the opportunity to create everything from custom signs and chalk art for weddings and businesses, opened up an Etsy shop, created dozens and dozens of custom logos and complete wedding packages. I've taught local lettering classes and even had 2 publishers reach out to me to publish 2 adult coloring books, which you can check out in the description below. So whether you want to start hand lettering and modern calligraphy just as a hobby and a creative outlet, or you actually do want to take it to the next level and maybe turn it into a side hustle or go pro with it even, on this channel, I will be your tour guide as we travel through the land of lettering. We'll be traveling to places like Basics Beach and Fundamental Falls, where we'll do a deep dive into the basic foundation you need to get started at hand lettering and modern calligraphy and actually take it to the next level. We'll also discover places like Modern Calligraphy Mountain and Bounce Lettering Bay and Brush Lettering Brook. Fun places. We'll even go to Doodle Desert if you want to learn how to add illustration to your lettering projects. We'll go to Inspiration Island, where I'm going to show you how to be inspired by other artists without copying them, and where to look for inspiration when you're feeling stuck in the quicksand. We'll also go to Tips and Tools Tundra, where I'll be reviewing some of my favorite products with you and showing you how they work. So that is just a taste of where we'll journey. There are so many more destinations to discover in the land of lettering. So pack your bags, explorer, get ready and hit that subscribe button, and we're going to journey through the land of lettering together. I can't wait.